Hey guys, it's Emily. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 spring room decoration ideas. Let's get on with the video. The first idea I'm going to show you how to make is this wood bead wreath. You want to start by taking a metal hoop of any size and finding the line where the hoop is connected. Then you want to cut where it's connected with wire cutters. When you're done cutting the hoop, you want to put beads of any shape and size on the hoop, and make sure you leave enough room to glue the hoop back together. After you're done putting beads on the hoop, you want to put hot glue on the part of the hoop you cut. Then you want to connect the ends of the hoop together, and if you want to, you can add some more glue so it stays together better. When the glue is dry, you want to get some fake flowers and pull the flowers off of the stems. I used pink roses. Then you want to lay them where you glued the hoop back together, so you can see how you want them to be when done. Then you can glue the flowers on the hoop or the beads with hot glue. When you're done gluing the flowers in place, you can glue any type of floral you would like on your wreath. I cut and laid out some pieces of baby breath stems, and I also cut the leaves from the flowers into pieces. Then I glued everything under the flowers. When you're done gluing everything on, you can take a piece of thread or something else and tie a loop at the top. The last thing you want to do is that you want to take a piece of ribbon or lace and tie a bow at the top. And make sure you keep the loop out of the bow so you can hang it later. Then you can trim the ends of the bow and you're all done. The next idea I'm going to show you how to make is this bird's nest in a flower pot. You want to start by painting a flower pot any color you would like, and when you're done painting it, you want to wait for it to dry. When the paint is dry, you want to take some twine and tie it to the top of the pot, and make sure you leave some extra twine here for later. Then you want to wrap it around the top section of the pot until you like how it looks. When you like how it looks, you can cut the twine you're wrapping with. Then you can tie the extra piece of twine that was from earlier and the twine you were wrapping with into a knot. The next thing you want to do is that you want to take another piece of twine and tie a bow. Then you want to cut off the extra twine you don't want from the ends of the bow, and you can also trim the ends from the knot you created earlier. Now you want to take some raffia and put a little bit on the bottom. Then you want to put more raffia on the top and shape it like a nest so your eggs will fit. The last thing you want to do is that you want to place some fake eggs on the top, and you're all done. The last idea I'm going to show you how to make is this bottle with flowers and eggs in it. The first thing you want to do is that you want to paint a bottle any color that you want. And when you're done painting it, you want to wait for it to dry. When the paint is dry, you can tie a piece of twine on the top of the bottle. Then you want to put fake flowers in the bottle. And you can also put some foam eggs on sticks in the bottle. And you can create these yourself, or you can buy them pre-made. Then you're all done. That's how you make these spring room decoration ideas. In the comments down below, let me know which DIY is your favorite. And if you like this video, subscribe to see more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!